Okay, we are going to try a longer dunk. Once again, I'm going to hold my finger over the stylus hole since there is no actual stylus to pull out of the fake phone. And this time I'm not going to blow into these openings. I'm going to take a Q-tip to dry them before I pull the case out. And let's see what happens. Let's keep it in there for 60 seconds. I'm going to pause the video, of course. So here we are. We are in there. Let's pause. Okay, I'm going to resume early. We're at about 40 seconds, and I see air bubbles coming out. Now, an air bubble coming out means water is going in, so time to remove it. Remember, this case is not designed to be waterproof. It's designed to be weatherproof. So I'm going to dry things, and we will come back and see what it looks like. Well, I pulled the top off and I see no water. None whatsoever. Come on. What the heck is wrong with you? There you go. It looks dry. I see a tiny bit of water there. But that's just from that hole. That won't actually penetrate into the phone because you have this seal here. So that's just getting into this section here because of the lanyard hole. So nothing penetrates to the phone. And I didn't want to flip it over before I recorded this because it would dry as soon as I flipped it over and it touched the blanket. So now we're going to pull this part off. Absolutely dry. It did not penetrate. I saw air bubbles and I was getting worried, but it looks like air came out, but water did not go in. The inner seal was not penetrated at all. Bone dry. Come on. Look at that. I am genuinely impressed. That was 45 seconds underwater, which this case was not designed for. And absolutely zero penetration. Of course, the lens is wet because that's actually exposed. I have to say, I am impressed. This case is performing better than expected and slightly better than advertised. So, I am going to conduct one more test, and this test will test the waterproof nature of the phone as well as its ruggedness at the same time, since and I'm going to seal this hole, of course, completely. I'm just going to seal that. Most cases of accidental dunking aren't going to happen with you gently and gingerly placing the phone into a pot of water 3-4 inches deep. You're going to drop it. So the test will be to find a local swimming pool still open, to go there with this phone in this case, and I'm going to nonchalantly chuck it into the pool. The 3-foot end, not the 6-foot end. I'll chuck it into the pool, ask someone to fish it out, and we will see how it holds up. I am also going to take it to like a creek or something like that is rock bottom, chuck it in, so it actually hits something before it goes into the water, and see how that turns out. And here's my consensus so far. Rain, you're good. Dropping into a puddle, you're good. Dropping into the sink or the toilet, you're good. It will protect your phone. It will keep the water out. Your phone will be safe for the most part. I mean, it's possible if one of these seals isn't on right, if your stylus pops out, and a number of possible things, but you're a heck of a lot better off than you would be without it. Would I take it in the water? Would I go swimming? No, it is not that kind of waterproof. Will it survive a drop in a pool? Don't know. I would not test that, except with a dummy phone. But I'm impressed. I'm very, very impressed. Would it survive the ocean washing over it at the beach? Absolutely. I mean, everything they advertise in the video, you are good to go. I'm impressed. Good case. If you need rugged case with some water protection, you can't lose with this, although be careful. It does block some signal. I will get back to you with part 4.